If you are stuck attracting low-paying clients, it is not your skills, it is your personal brand. In the next 90 seconds, I will show you how to build a personal brand that makes premium clients come to you. First, position yourself as a specialist, not a generalist. Do not say, "I am a designer." Say, "I help e-commerce brands increase sales with high-converting visuals." Premium clients do not pay for services. They pay for specific results. Second, create authority content. Stop posting random tips. Start sharing insights, case studies, and real results. Show your process. Show your thinking. That is what builds trust and separates you from the crowd. Third, be consistent, but with strategy. Posting daily will not help if your message is unclear. Every post should answer one question: why should someone pay me more? And finally, upgrade your perception, your visuals, your words, your profile. Everything should feel premium, because high-paying clients judge before they even message you. Build your brand right, and you will not have to chase clients anymore. They will come to you.